The Food Service Exchange presents.
Welcome to the Crown Verity Repair Shop. My name's Al Fournette. I'm in tech support, and we're going to walk you guys through some repair sequences on Crown Verity barbecues. And there's a few things we want to do before we get into the repair jobs themselves. These are some measures you want to take before you get into burner replacement, lighter tube replacement, anything to do with wheels or casters, conversion, anything like that. Okay, there's a few things we want to do just to be safe and make things easier for ourselves when we're doing these jobs. Okay, first things first, we want to make sure the grill's cool, that we're not working on a hot grill. We're going to make sure the propane tank cylinder valve is in the off position. Remove the regulator, set it and the hose aside, lift the retainer, and remove the propane tank and set it aside. If you're connected to natural gas or a fixed propane system, shut the fuel supply off at the valve and disconnect the hose. The next thing we want to do is remove the grease tray. If there's a lot of water in there, get yourself a bucket, remove the cap, drain off the excess water, and the grease pan comes out by lifting it, pull, slide it out, and we'll set that aside as well. Fuel's disconnected, grease pan's removed. There's a few other parts we're going to set aside here. We'll lift our warming rack out and set it aside. Cooking grates, they just lift out as well. Yours are probably dirtier than mine. The heat shield also needs to come out. The heat shield is a piece of sheet metal sitting here in front guarding the valves, and it simply lifts out as well. Set aside. We're all set.